Hey there folks, today we're at Right Way Supermarket on the island of Tortola in the beautiful BVI, and we're about to show you how we removed old and dated vinyl tiles and installed new, modern polished concrete floors without the store ever closing for business. Ready to dive in? Step 1, preparation. First things first, we got to get our hands dirty with some good old-fashioned prep work. Our skilled team is clearing the area and using this tile chipping machine to remove all the old and damaged vinyl tiles from the floor. Then they will pass the floor grinder to ensure that the tile adhesive is all removed from the concrete prior to the end of the night shift to have it ready for the customers in the morning. This clean canvas is step 1 to achieving a flawless polished concrete finish. Step 2, grinding. Now it's time to continue grinding and honing the concrete with our trusty 1100-pound floor grinding machine. This powerhouse tool is all about smoothing out imperfections, refining the surface with water and diamond metal grinding bits, which helps create a pristine and durable surface for our polished concrete masterpiece. Step 3, polishing. And here comes the fun part, polishing. This is where the magic truly happens. Our team will work long hours gradually refining the surface until it shines like a mirror, using mechanical processing with the machinery as well as applying hardening chemicals such as lithium silicate densifier. Step 4, sealing. Last but certainly not least, we've got to protect our hard work with a quality sealant. This final step ensures our polished concrete stays looking fresh and fabulous for years to come. We applied 4 coats of concrete guard, aka sealer, and buffed the floor in between coats to assist with stain protection and regular daily foot traffic. And there you have it, folks, the step-by-step process of achieving those stunning polished concrete floors here at Right Way Supermarket in Tortola. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey, and we hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, guys, cheers.
I'm standing outside my window. 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 I'm standing outside.